Jamaican male dancehall dancers over the years have created many dances that were not popular only in Jamaica but the rest of the world. Jamaican male dancehall dancers are very important to the dancehall music genre. During the 1990s, when Mr. Wacky aka Bogle ruled the dancehall dance floor, until his unfortunate death on January 20, 2005. Some fans think that Bogle, Ding Dong and his Ravers Clovers dancers are undoubtedly the best dancehall dancers that the dancehall genre have ever seen. There are many dances that has been rocking Jamaican dancehall, and Jamaica in general for the last few decades. Here are some of the dances that Jamaican men brought to the dancing fraternity. These dances have even gone worldwide, cause they've been showing up in lots of American videos, especially African Americans. The list goes: Gully Creeper, Bogle, Signal the Plane, Tech Way Yourself, Flary, Lebe, Fling You Shoulder, Ginna Bounce, Tip, Skip, One Drop, Koch, Bucket Dung, Nolinga,